Hey guys, today's video is going to be a little shorter because I found that a lot of you are still, even after my past video with how to build a team, you guys still aren't understanding and you still have a little misunderstanding what a team can actually do for you. Many people think that just because you're in a lawn and landscape business, the best structure is do all the work, hire some helpers, do all the organization, and go until you can just sit on your heels, sit in the chair, and watch it go around. What are we doing this for if we're going to do it that structure? Then you might as well work for somebody else. A team has multiple different benefits for it. You may think that, okay, multi-million dollar ultra tech companies, they might have a team to be able to organize and motivate and brainstorm. Why do I need one? I had this false belief as well when I was starting out. You need a team because no single man can effectively and organize and run his business all alone. There's a false belief, I'm going to run this business alone. I'm self-made. I'm a self-made millionaire. What's the point? Okay? If that works, and that's a big if, it's going to take much, much longer compared to if you have a team behind you. And also, your team is going to help you solve every situation, every problem that comes up, and is going to even bring in new possibilities and new opportunities for you to expand into. I know it's difficult and it's complicated hiring more people than what we think that we need. And this team is not going to be built from the start. From the start, you're going to do work yourself. You're going to hire an assistant, hire a helper, hire a second crew. That's going to be a big step. And then, you're going to start looking around in your crew, looking around at your hiring prospects, and see who you can build into a team. A team takes some time. That's what I'm saying. You're not going to get a team from the start. I certainly didn't. I hope this video helped you. I really think it did. And to give you a deeper understanding of why you need a team and why a team can actually help you. Every business needs a team if they're trying to expand to the top level.